Hello developers, here's a challenge for you. So the challenge is, can you create one here? Just see, this is our blog.html. okay, this is our this web page, find blog.html that we were building. And yeah, the challenge is, can you create this related post section? Can you create this related post section? This is the challenge. You have to use one image and like anchor tag. I'm just giving you a little bit of hint. So if you can do it, can you do it? Please try to do this. And these bullet points you are saying, probably what is it? Please write down in the comment. Okay, so yeah, please write down about this in the comment, that why this bullet point is coming, which element I'm using it here. Okay, please comment it. And if you can do it by yourself. If you can't do, please watch this tutorial. And of course, if you can do also, please watch this tutorial till end, because I'm going to add one special thing to this, and it will be told you by last of this video. So yeah, that's it. Let's move forward. And yeah, let me open the VS Code editor. So it is there, and we have this blog.html. and let me just little bit zoom out this, and just right click here and just open with live server. Now let's see what we have done as of right now. So yes, I think we have given the semantics HTMLs to this document. Right now, one more important thing is here. Now just see, in a blog post, when you go just below here, you see related post option as well. Like, what are the some related posts there, right? So you see some related posts. So we are going to design that. So if you can design, please pause this video and try to design. Okay, and if you can't, then like, yeah, again, of course you have to watch the video till the end. But do one thing, if you can do, try by yourself. And if you can't do, just see here. And yes, of course, if you can do also, just see here. Yeah, okay, so let's see, just go below. And before this footer, let me add one more important thing, and that is, let me just write h4. I want to take this h4 like related posts, and let me save it. So this one more section will come, right? The related post section. So we are going to design that. Yes, see, so related posts. Now this related post will contain one image and one anchor. For that anchor would be going like, when you click that, it will take you to that page where that article is written, right? So here what we are going to see, related post is there now. Okay, that's pretty good. Now just be here, and let's say I want one let's say, yes, I can just write in one UL like unordered list, then the list item, and inside this list item I just want img like one image, right? So I will just do one image. And yeah, when I'm just going in the source, I have images folder, and then there I have JS related image. So when I just save it, now I had saved it. Now just see what will happen. Yeah, save it. Why it's responding a little bit late, but okay, no problem. See, JS, this picture is coming, and this picture is too large, so I want to make it small. And yeah, I had already told you how to make your picture small. Like, you can set the height and width, right? Of course. So from here, if I want to set the height and width of this image, let me add one class here, right? One class I can add, or yes, I can add one class if I want to change it via CSS. But if I don't want to change it via CSS, I can add attributes like let me use after this source here, I can use just width equal to just give 50 like this, and write height equal to just give 50. So this attribute will also change the height and width of this image. So when I save this, now it will be changed. So now see what happened. So 50 here. Oh, sorry, extremely sorry. Why it is not like changing the height and width? Because we have already set here, just when you go the above, like a style.css, where it is, here it is. So when you see, this one is fixed. So when I'm just like, when I comment it, let me comment it. Yeah, now save it. Now when you see it, let it reload. I don't know why it is taking a little bit late to respond. What's the problem with my, yeah, now the above picture is coming too much big. Okay, we'll manage it. I think this picture is too much heavy, that's why it is like loading a little bit of late, but yeah, we'll see that. We'll cut the size of this picture, we'll cut the heaviness of this picture. Okay, so now see here, related post JS JavaScript. Here one picture is coming. Now the picture is coming in very small size. Why? Because we have set here, just go below and more below, let me scroll down. So here if you just see this 50 here, now why it's coming? Because we have set that 50 like 50 pixel 50 pixel. So I can erase it and save it and do one more thing here. Just go above and here do one thing. I don't want to comment this, I will uncomment this. So I will just remove this one and this one. Now just save it. So but definitely I want to change the related post image size via CSS. So what I can do here, I can just add one attribute, that is class, and I will give the class. Okay, so give class to it, and let's just write related dash post dash img. Now I will go to a style tag here, yes, and then I will just write dot and then write related dash post dash img. I hope you have remembered. We had seen already how and what is this. Yeah, this is class selector, right? We are selecting the element through the class. So what is the class value that we have given? It will select that element, right? And when you select that element, we can apply the CSS to it, right? So this is the thing. So it will select this image element which has this class attribute value. Right now what we can do is just go to this dot related post img and just write the height and width. So 50 pixel, I will just say this is fine for as of right now. Yes, so 50 pixel and then 50 pixel here, 50 pixel, or not 52, 50 pixel here, and just save it. So now when I see the same thing, we have this JS, right? So like this we can add this related post. Now what we can do more is I just have to go a little bit below, and here I just wanna say, hey, I will have this anchor, and let's say hash for, yeah. Now here I will just write like introduction to Java a script course, like this, and save it. Now when I save it, and here let me add the alt value here. So JS related, JS a small picture, JS logo pic, save it and just see. So one anchor tag, one anchor element will also be added just after this JavaScript picture, JS picture. Now what I have to do here is I can add one more paragraph, and yeah, just created by, yes, created by @Ankit, let's say. So I'm just saving it, and now just see again, it will like it will come again. Okay, here now see created by Ankit, it's coming now. So related post I had done with one only, you have to create two more extra. So just download a small picture here, okay, from internet, and attach that, and there you try to create these two more elements. Okay, so I hope you can really do it by yourself, right? Just you have to copy this li and paste this. Right now you just have to copy this and paste here, okay, and just if you have any more pictures you can change. So I have in this case Mongo related, like MongoDB picture one, a small picture is there. So the complete MongoDB course, let me just write here, okay, the complete MongoDB course, let me just write here created by Ankit and let's save it. So now we have done with 2, right? So you have to do one more. So I hope you can really do it. So now we have this 2 related post, right? And we can click on this and we'll go to our page, but here as of right now we have not done any kind of articles. And so fine, now so related post is there. Now it is 2 items, like 2 elements is coming here. So you have to add one more extra. And now one more important thing, if I have to give this whole section a special meaning to the web browser or the like search engine for SEO, for better optimization, so in that case we will be using HTML semantics, right? So one semantic tag is there, aside. So anything which is to be kept on side or like a sidebar, so we can give aside. Okay, and so our aside section, like our sidebar, you have ever seen that related post section, right? So it starts from here, right? So now here what I can do is I just add this aside, okay, this tag. Now aside tag, it will automatically close it, but I just want to close after this under like unordered list. Now save it. So now of course this will not change any designing things in our web page, but yeah, it will so it will give the special meaning to your web browser that okay, this is like side section. So fine, now so we have done with it. Now let me just see one more time here, and yes, okay, so we have updated the related post section as well. You have to add one extra, don't forget that. So that's it for this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, bye, take care.